Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about an all-in-one tool that you can use to convert videos, edit videos, burn DVDs, compress and many other things. So this tool that we're going to talk about in this video is called Wondershare Uni Converter. As you saw on this channel, I showed you before a whole bunch of different software that you can try in order to either convert, compress, edit, but of course it remains at your will what software you want to try and use. For this video I'm going to present to you Wondershare Uni Converter, and of course you're going to have the links below in the description if you want to try it for free. On my desktop I also have video and also an audio file that we're going to try to convert and also compress. Let's open up Wondershare Uni Converter. What you need to know is that Wondershare Uni Converter has gotten to the version 14, so if you want to try out the latest version, just go ahead and download it from the links below in the description. This is how the software looks. As you can see, we have some main categories that we can use. We have the converter, we have the downloader, and also the compressor. But we also have editor, screen recorder, DVD burner, player, fixed media metadata, and all kinds of small tools that can help us work with certain file formats. Of course, in this video, I'm not going to show you how to use every single thing from this app, but you need to know that this app is an all-in-one tool that helps you a lot if you want to do certain edits with videos and also audio files. First of all, let me show you the converter. I'm going to click on converter and I'm going to add a video file here. As you can see, the video file is MP4. We're going to have to select the output format. Of course, I don't want it to be MP4. I want it to be MKV, and I'm going to click on same as source to not lose any quality. And also I'm going to select the file location to the desktop so I can export it to the desktop with no issues. I'm going to click on start all, and you're going to see how easy the conversion process is, and we have the video converted and also exported in that location. As you can see, we have both videos here, the MP4 one and also the MKV one. As easy as that, you can convert videos or other file formats to other file formats. Of course, if you want to go in depth, you can also use the video encoders and audio encoders if you want to use certain ones, but in my opinion it is good if you leave them on auto. Let's remove this video now and add an audio file, and let's see some formats that we have for audio. As you can see, we have MP4 and all kinds of audio formats. This audio file that I have on my desktop is in .wav file format, so I'm just gonna go into output format and select the MP3 and also select same as source. File location is still set to desktop, and then I can click on start all, and I'm gonna have on my desktop the converted file to MP3, which is really nice. Going ahead in this software, you also have the downloader where you can download videos from a lot of websites. I'm not gonna go in depth into this section because I don't want to have issues with copyright and stuff like that, but you can also use this section. We also have the compressor, so let's test this out. Let's use our video file, which has around 30 megabytes. I'm gonna insert here, and as you can see down here, we have the high quality section selected, which will reduce the file size with 30%. I'm gonna also select the file location to desktop and then click on compress to see the final result. The compression process of course takes up a lot more time than the conversion process because we are compressing the video file. As you can see, we have our file here, and it also has a way smaller size than the one that was stated. This is happening because of certain file formats and of course other factors, for example the content from the video, if you have a lot of pixels and stuff like that, but I'm pretty sure that the software does a great job into compressing videos. We also have the editor. Here we can trim, crop, watermark, effect, subtitle, audio speed, and all kinds of stuff to our video formats. We also have the merger. Just add two files and they'll be easily merged. We have the screen recorder with webcam, audio, application, and stuff like that. Very easy to use. We have the DVD burner if anyone needs this or if anyone uses DVDs anymore. And we also have the tools that I showed you before that can help you a lot. So for example, vocal remover, noise remover, watermark editor, image converter, GIF maker, and all kinds of tools that can be really useful. In my opinion, Wondershare Uni Converter is a very good app, an all-in-one tool that can help you with your file formats. And as I've said at the beginning of the video, you can try out the software for free from the links below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.